Mom finally takes a break from eating to reward their hard work. Together, they drink nearly 3 quarts of milk a day. Fern is under huge pressure. She's only had to eat for one before. As fast as she can get the energy, the cubs seem to draw it out. But Fern has yet to learn. Caring for kids is not just about feeding them. Keeping them safe is a full-time job. Especially here, up to 2,000 grizzlies roam the Great Bear Rainforest. And this valley is one of the busiest. And it's vital for a mom with cubs to avoid the most dangerous neighbors, males. It's Rocky. He's looking to mate, and he won't let the cubs get in the way. Fern can never let their paths cross.